ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಜಾಲತಾಣದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕೇರಳ ಕಳೆದು
rally, what is the main objective of this rally and what do you
ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು
Particularly the day by day, the crime is increasing drastically in Karnataka. To the point, if you want some note, more than 23 of our Karyakartas have been killed by this Congress government. Brutally murdered. So that's why the mass, particularly coastal Karnataka, we have taken the initiative for Jana Suraksha Yatra. Not only 23 people. As you briefed earlier government, it was, I think, 1,500 total murder it was. But now, in this government, it has crossed more than 7,700 murders. Everywhere. 10 times more, 15 times more, and then in few sector, I think more than 100 times more criminal cases. It is, I think, registered under this same government, Siddaramaia's government. That's why Karnataka people, they have fed up. Totally, the people, they feel insecure. That's why we've taken the initiative for Jana Suraksha Yatra.
Sir, in different parts of Karnataka, there's a different caste combination like Lingayat, Koppalikas and everything. In coastal Karnataka, is it a direct Hindu versus minority? Majority versus minority?
No, it is Congress versus BJP.
So
Congress means, it doesn't mean the party cadre. Congress means it's a culture. The BJP culture is one side and then Congress culture is another side. The war between Congress and then BJP culture, the war is started.
Is the BJP only protecting the interests of Hindus then?
Yes, of course, it is our duty. Since, I think, since from the long history, it is evident that the Congress has been ignoring our interest, Hindus' interest.
So is this the most polarized elections we've seen so far?
Definitely, I hope for that.
You hope for that?
Yes, it will be.
Sir, why do you hope for it, polarized elections?
Because our Hindu mass, they have fed up by these appeasement policies. For example, a few days before, they have withdrawn the cases on Muslims by saying they are innocents. But at the same time, thousands of Hindu Karyakartas also have been arrested. There is no word from our Chief Minister that they are also innocent people. Only Muslims, if they are innocent, then Hindu, who they are?
Sir, but don't you think hoping for polarization defeats the purpose of democracy?
Yeah, it is the real democracy. The polarizing the people for right cause.
So just two questions I had is like one in coastal Karnataka for the BJP, the Hindu attacks is the most important thing. There have been no talks of development or others. Unlike Modi, when he comes to, he talks about development. In coastal Karnataka, nobody speaks about development at all. Only Hindutva. Why?
It's a general task. When I am in Jana Suraksha Yatra, particularly it is meant for the murder which has been continuing since last 4-5 years. For that only we have taken the initiative for Jana Suraksha.
Will the same resonance?
From this, many developmental issues are there. The corruption, development, other various issues are there. Right now only we are giving thrust on the murdering politics of Karnataka.
Will this work in other parts of the state, unlike coastal Karnataka? Will it have same resonance in other parts of the state? Mysuru, Bangalore, do you think so?
Certainly the limit has been crossed. It has crossed.
So is this the BJP's, is this your strategy way forward? Is, keeping Hindus and minorities separate, is this your way forward in Karnataka?
No, we are not advocating for that type of the divide and then rule policy. Whether minority or majority, we have no difference.
Then how are you trying to include the minority?
But the Congress, they are demarcating the line, the minority and then majority. That is actually the hurting the Karnataka mass.
What about your
Kind of popularity that Anant Kumar Hegde has, a lot of talk about him being the Chief Minister candidate was going around. What do you
Yeah, it's really false and then just imagination. Already our High Command has declared Yediyurappa's name, and then he is the real mass leader, and then he will become a Chief Minister, and then definitely the BJP will come into power.
So do you still hold by your constitutional rule?
Of course, I respect my constitution, and then always I respect Baba Sahib Ambedkar, and then always I respect my entire culture, tradition, everything. So I have not told anything against that. But media, unfortunately, they took up, particularly media and then Congress. They are artificially framing some charges against my image, that he is anti-Dalit, anti-constitutional, this thing, anti-Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Totally it's false. Since from the beginning, I always been respecting the same, the constitution, Baba Sahib Ambedkar, and then the harmony between various communities.
So Gauri Lankesh yesterday, Gauri Lankesh.
Thank you.